So today I'm going to be talking about tigers which are endangered. So there are 9 species of tigers, out of which 3 are endangered. As you can see here, the Bengal tiger would be the most commonly found out of them, while 3 are endangered, which would be the Java tiger, the Caspian tiger, and the Bali tiger. So so those 3 species were extinct mainly due to hunting and illegal poaching. Tigers are mainly hunted due to illegal poaching for their skin, bones, and meat. Now, in this zoo, there's one of the rare tiger species, which is called the Malayan tiger. There are fewer than 200 left in the wild, and they have one of them. So, yeah. So what you're looking at are Grevy's zebras. They have a high risk of extinction due to habitat loss and hunting. There are around 3,000 Grevy's zebras in the wild, and these zebras are around 10 years old. Thank you. What you're looking at is the southern white rhino. These were before critically endangered, and they lived mainly in Africa. They were threatened due to poaching, but now the world's most successful conservation effort has made this less endangered, and now it's near threatened. So these are the So this is a pygmy hippopotamus, and it's at a risk of extinction, mainly due to pollution, deforestation, and overhunting. It walks on its tippy toes inside the water, and yeah.